Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Little Britain is a small riverside community located within the Lockport area of St. Andrews, just north of Winnipeg. With a very small population spread across rural properties and residential lots, it has a quiet, low-density feel typical of communities along the Red River. The area is known for its scenic setting, where homes and open land sit close to the water, and where daily life moves at a slower, more relaxed pace. The name Little Britain reflects the influence of early British settlers who arrived in the Red River Valley during the early 19th century. Many of these settlers were part of the Selkirk settlement, established under the direction of Lord Selkirk in the early 1800s. These settlers brought farming practices, cultural traditions, and community structures that shaped the development of the region. The name itself is a reminder of those early roots and the lasting influence of British immigration in this part of Manitoba. Like other communities along the Red River, Little Britain developed using the river lot system. Properties were laid out in long, narrow strips extending back from the riverbank, allowing each household access to water for transportation and daily use. This system was practical for the time and helped organize settlement in a way that connected residents directly to the river. Even today, the layout of land in the area still reflects this early planning approach. The Red River remains central to life in Little Britain. Flowing north toward Lake Winnipeg, it has historically served as a transportation route, a source of food, and a focal point for settlement. The river also shapes the landscape, with flat terrain and fertile soil supporting agriculture in the surrounding region. While it provides many benefits, the river is also known for seasonal flooding, particularly in the spring, which has influenced how homes and infrastructure are built. Little Britain is closely connected to nearby Lockport, a well-known local destination centered around the St. Andrews Lock and Dam. Completed in 1910, the lock and dam were designed to control water levels and allow boats to navigate past the rapids that once existed along this stretch of the river. The structure remains an important landmark and continues to draw visitors to the area. The Lockport area, including Little Britain, has long been recognized for its fishing opportunities. The Red River is home to a large population of channel catfish, and the waters near the dam are especially active. Fishing has been part of life here for generations, from indigenous communities who first relied on the river to modern anglers who visit for sport. This ongoing connection to the river adds to the character and identity of the area. Community life in Little Britain is shaped by its rural setting. Residents often rely on nearby towns and services in Lockport and the surrounding municipality of St. Andrews. With a population of just over 12,000 people across the municipality, the area combines farmland, residential neighborhoods, and historic sites. This network of small communities creates a sense of connection while maintaining the independence and quiet of rural living. Historically, the region around Little Britain has been part of key developments in Manitoba's growth. The expansion of agriculture, the influence of the fur trade, and the arrival of transportation routes all played a role in shaping the area. Over time, improvements in roads and infrastructure have made it easier for residents to travel to and from Winnipeg, allowing communities like Little Britain to remain rural while still being connected to a larger urban center. Seasonal change is a defining feature of life in Little Britain. Summers bring green landscapes, active riverbanks, and outdoor recreation. Autumn introduces cooler temperatures and harvest activity, while winter transforms the area into a quieter, snow-covered environment. In spring, melting snow and rising water levels can lead to flooding, a natural cycle that has long been part of life along the Red River. These seasonal patterns influence both the landscape and the rhythm of daily life. Today, Little Britain remains a small but historically rooted community. It reflects the enduring connection between people and the land, shaped by early settlement patterns and the ongoing presence of the Red River. While it may not be widely known beyond the region, it offers a clear example of rural life in southern Manitoba, where history, geography, and community continue to intersect.
Thanks for watching!